Hello, and welcome to AI YouTube Code. Today our focus is Demystifying AI with 10 key points, and our topic is the YouTuber's Guide to Using AI. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how using AI tools can boost your creativity, save time, and grow your audience. So let's get started. Key point 1, AI-powered content creation. From being a YouTuber for over 13 years and creating lots of channels and testing out various ideas, I know what every YouTuber knows, that content is the heart of your channel and consistency is the heartbeat. Basically, coming up with clickable, watchable, fresh ideas every day or even every week, it can be exhausting. And that's why you should embrace AI as your new 24/7 dedicated, always available, never tired YouTube assistant. If you're a night owl and you want your assistant to work with you at 3 a.m., no problem. They're always ready to help. AI tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, Jasper, and Bright Sonic will be there for you when you're tired, feel brain dead, or just plain burned out. They're always ready to generate new creative ideas, outlines, and even full scripts based on simple text inputs. So how does it work? These AI tools generate high-quality content based on your input. You write a text prompt with your channel focus, your keywords, and within seconds, the AI starts brainstorming for you. This means you can focus more on the creative aspects of your channel and less on the difficult or tedious tasks. For instance, if you run a tech review channel, you can ask ChatGPT-4 to draft detailed reviews of the latest gadgets, ensuring your content is fresh and informative. Ask for catchy titles, intros, even entire video scripts. They're always ready to generate new creative ideas, outlines, and even full scripts. These AI tools using advanced language models will produce content, engaging titles, blog posts, even video descriptions. This is particularly useful for maintaining a consistent posting schedule without sacrificing quality. Next up is key point 2, AI video editing. Well, every YouTuber that edits by themselves knows how time-consuming it is. AI tools can streamline that process significantly. Tools like Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, they all have AI features that can automatically edit your footage, detect scenes, even suggest the best cuts. What does this mean for you? You spend less time editing and more time creating. AI video editing can save you hours of manual work, allowing you to focus on content creation and storytelling. So let's look at key point 3, optimizing your thumbnails. Thumbnails are the #1 way to get viewers to watch your video. They are a crucial doorway to increasing your video's visibility, high click-through rates, and engagement. And this is where AI tools that analyze trending designs and include the best elements are incredibly valuable. I use Midjourney and Canva on a regular basis to design eye-catching thumbnails. Our next key point, number 4, enhance audio quality. The #1 reason viewers click away from your video is because of bad audio. AI-powered tools like Adobe Audition and Ophonic can automatically reduce noise, balance levels, and enhance clarity. High-quality audio improves the overall viewer experience, keeping your audience engaged and happy. AI tools really are your best friend when it comes to audio. Now that your video is ready, let's look at key point 5, create engaging captions and transcripts. Enhance your video's accessibility and engagement with AI captioning tools like Rev and Otter.ai. These tools provide accurate, real-time captions and transcripts. Captions make your content accessible to a broader audience, including those with hearing impairments or non-native speakers. Okay, your video is ready to post to the world. That's where key point 6, personalized viewer engagement, comes in. How do you understand your audience to get them to watch your videos more? This has actually become easier with AI. Using analytic tools like TubeBuddy and vidIQ almost help you understand your audience like a mind reader. These platforms analyze your audience's behaviors, suggest personalized content strategies. I use vidIQ and love it. The best way to get YouTube to understand your content is with our key point 7, optimized SEO. SEO or search engine optimization is crucial for discovery. Using AI tools like Keywords Everywhere and SEMrush, you can find the keywords people are actually searching for and optimize your video descriptions, titles, and tags. Improved SEO will help your videos rank higher in search results and bring more organic traffic to your channel. Brings us to key point 8. Automate your social media posting. You want to become what I would call a time-saving ninja, and AI-driven social media tools like Hootsuite and Buffer can do this. These platforms schedule your posts, analyze engagement, and even suggest the best times to post. Automating social media allows you to stay at the front of your followers' minds, maintain a consistent online presence, and get more engagement. And you can do this all without manual effort. The next step to channel growth is key point 9. Analyze your competitors' channels. You want to stay ahead of the game by using AI tools like Social Blade and Viduli to analyze your competitors. These platforms provide insights into their strategies, performance metrics, and even trending content. Understanding your competition will help you refine your strategy and identify opportunities for growth. Which brings us to AI YouTuber's Guide to Using AI Key Point 10, Collaboration. Now, collaborating is easier with AI-powered project management tools like Trello and Asana. These tools help anyone you bring on board to manage tasks, timelines, and communications seamlessly. Efficient collaboration leads to more productive partnerships and higher quality content. Teamwork makes the dream work. Well, there you have it, friends. 10 powerful ways to use AI to elevate your YouTube channel. From scripting your videos to automating tedious tasks to optimizing your content strategy, AI should be your new best friend. Start integrating these AI tools today and watch your channel step up to the next level. In our next video session, we're covering mastering AI script writing to craft compelling YouTube scripts using AI tools. I'm Sherry Barbera. This is AI YouTube Coach. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips and tricks. Happy AI video creating. Ciao. Wow.